After on-page SEO checker setup, it will show 4 tabs. They are Overview, Optimization Ideas, Top 10 Benchmarking, Idea Tasks. And in this video, we are going to see about optimization ideas. Optimization ideas suggest ideas by comparing landing pages with competitors who are ranking in Google Top 10, and so it helps to increase these landing page rankings. We know that at first on-page SEO checker import pages which collected from organic research and position tracking, but also note that we can also import pages manually. We can add additional pages with keywords in optimization ideas also. To add manually, click Add Landing Page button. Enter the page URL and keyword. For demo purpose, I am showing an example. It will analyze the pages and suggest ideas. Okay, it analyzed the pages and also gave some ideas. We can also import pages from Google Search Console. I have already added the pages from Google Search Console. Okay. In the table, the first column is priority. Priority helps to know which page we should focus first. Another reason is it has the possibility to reach quick comparing to other pages. We can sort them high to low and low to high. Priority comes with 3 dashed icon with colors light and dark yellow. If 3 dashed icon is dark yellow, it is high priority. If 2 dashed icon is dark yellow, it is medium priority. If 1 dashed icon is dark yellow means it is having low priority. If no dashed icon is dark yellow means it is having no priority level. These are landing pages. We can view the landing pages in browser using this option. Okay. Next is the keywords option. Each page comes with single or multiple keywords. To view all keywords, click the number which displays a table with the individual keyword with position and value. We can edit the keywords or we can add them manually. Next is the total volume. It is the total number of search queries for the keywords. For example, in this landing page, let me click the keywords, all keywords. Okay, it has 6 keywords. Let me count them. 1.6, okay, 170, 260, 330, 380, 400 plus. And so it was more than 2000 volume.